An angel came to Mary.
The same thing happened to Joseph.
And so they got together and traveled. They got to Bethlehem. Mary was pregnant. Joseph went to many innkeepers. The last one said they could sing in his stable. Shepherds were watching their sheep in the fields. An angel appeared. An angel said, "I bring you wonderful news. The Lord is born." That night God was born. Shepherds were watching their sheep, and suddenly an angel appeared. The angel said, "I bring you wonderful news. The Lord is born." 3 kings were following the star. It led the shepherd and kings together that night. They were so happy that night. It was a good night that night. Yes, that was the first Christmas ever.